All right, the last 2 chicken legs from the 4-pack. Right now I'm just gonna vegetable oil in here. I'm browning a little bit on the outside, 5 minutes or so on each side. And then it's gonna be braised in a soy sauce marinade. All right, here's the marinade. This is about 4 cups here. So I will list what I have in here. Okay, I do follow Martin Yan's cookbook, Feast the Best of Yan Can Cook, for the marinade. And it's under 3-cup chicken. There's the braising ingredients. Screenshot it. I'm not gonna list everything verbally, so there we go. And obviously this page, I've been using this recipe quite often, so it's pretty stained with food. Yeah, so, and then talk about gift giving, because I do have a series on that around the holiday season, but this is a great gift. Cookbooks are a great gift. I have bought another, not the same recipe book, but a similar, different one of Martin Yan's, and I gave it as a gift, and it was quite useful. So I highly recommend for yourself to invest in one of his books, as well as it's a great gift. Useful for sure. So in here, yeah, so 2 cups of water. I said I wasn't going to list everything, but of course there's going to be rice wine, soy sauce. There's regular and dark. I just used one type of soy sauce. I don't have both. Worcestershire sauce, sesame oil, rock sugar, or just white sugar. I use white sugar. Green onions, but I don't usually buy that. I used just the regular white onions. I chopped that up. The whole star, I think it's pronounced anise. I don't know. I'm gonna have to, okay, I will have to go over that and fix that word. The star herb thing. Okay. And then 5 spice, Chinese 5 spice, okay? And of course, ginger, garlic, cooking oil. It does, you know, I only have the two chicken legs. This calls for 8 chicken thighs or drumsticks. Whatever, I've used thighs itself. Whatever chicken you want. Garlic, chili. I'm not going to put the chili. You can on your, if you're going to make it yourself. So that's what's in here. That's the marinade. Okay. Okay, so now I've taken both of the legs out. Just put it on the side. And the next step, I'm going to be sauteing or the onions and garlic. I'm not going to do the garlic, like I'll do it at the end and add it into the marinade while it's braising, because I find cooking onion or cooking the garlic opens it up, and that creates, believe it or not, heartburn for me. So with all my cooking testing and whatnot, I find that adding garlic at the end is better for me. But you can cook it, saute it, add ginger, garlic, and chilies, cook, stirring until fragrant for 20 seconds. So I'll do the onions, and that's it. And then we're going to return the chicken to the pan, add the braising sauce, and then bring to a boil. Reduce heat, cover, simmer until meat near bone is no longer pink when cut. So 25 to 30 minutes, they say. All right, so chicken legs are in. I'm gonna pour the liquid in. Oh, making a mess. Yay! Anyway, so there you go. Bring it to a boil and then simmer it. Crushing the garlic. I have to scrape that. Okay, it's all in. Ginger, onion, garlic, the seasoning and sauces. So that'll boil up, braising for 30 minutes. And then I'll transfer it out and I will put it in the toaster oven to crisp it up, or maybe not, because I just really want the meat part. I'll add it to, I'm going to make a vegetable chow mein, and that will be, yeah, so that's what this is for really. But again, you can have this on its own, like with steamed rice and vegetables, amazing. And the sauce, after I'll boil it down and thicken it up, and then the sauce over rice is really good too. So there we go. It doesn't look appealing right now, but it will be. All right, it's boiling. I'm going to turn down the heat, cover it, and let it simmer. Oh, I turned it off. I'll turn it down. Okay. Okay, covering it. All right, checking on it. It's been 30 minutes, so should be fine. So I want it to splash. But yeah, so I'm going to transfer this onto a baking sheet. I will, not sure, well, like I said, I'm going to just take the meat off the bone and add it to my chow mein. So I'm not, I'll still, yeah, I'll put it under the broiler. And go from there, and that's it. That'll be for the chicken, or for the vegetable chow mein. I'll have the chicken on top of it, and then I'll boil down this marinade and maybe use some of it for the sauce when I'm making the sauce for the chow mein. So that's how it looks right now. I know it doesn't, may not look like a pretty sight, but it's gonna be good because it's soy sauce chicken, very tasty. And also I can use this for more chicken, so I can buy some more chicken at the supermarket and reuse this, and it'll be good. So yeah, lots of sauce left over. I could probably use a hand blender and blend the onions and garlic and ginger up in this sauce, this marinade. Take out the star. So I said in the earlier of the video about the star, I said anise, but it's anise. That's what it's, how you pronounce it. Anise, not anus. Okie dokie, here it is. I just took it out. I just put it under the broiler for a bit, like 15 minutes on each side, to give it some more, you know, color here. This is how I would eat it with rice and vegetables, but I'm gonna probably chop this up. I would probably pour some sauce over it. I'll do that in a second. Okay, now I didn't even get around to making a cornstarch, thicken it up with cornstarch, so it's still watery here, but it's late. I started this late. I'm not gonna eat this right away. I think tomorrow I'll do the noodle thing, but I just wanted to cook the chicken. So I will be thickening up the marinade, the sauce now, and then I'm going to use that for another dish, and probably for the noodles. So that's how the chicken looks. Oh, it's steaming still. There we go. It's so tasty. Very